Hi everyone, welcome to week 2. You made it through the first week of Guidance 18. Please remember that I will not be marking anything late from week 1. So for those of you that are getting somewhat of a late start, or there were a couple of you that added from the wait list, you guys can still submit things, but only from week 1, okay? And then everything will be due week 2. Okay, so this week you will need your book. Again, we're using the On Course, the 8th edition right here. Okay, so hopefully everyone got theirs. Let's see. So this week, let me take a look at what we've got going on. We have some videos. Okay, so we've got some videos and some reading this week. We are doing a live session. This week, we're going to do it on Tuesday at 6 p.m. So for those of you that attended the first one, the live sessions are not really long. They usually run about anywhere from 10 to 20 minutes. They're usually pretty brief, at least at the start of the semester. Towards the end, when we have our bigger projects due, they do go a little bit longer. But they're genuinely pretty brief. So I send you guys a link. I have it on one of the content pages. You just click on it and join it. And they're super easy, super fun. So this week, again, it's going to be extra credit, but after that, it will be an assignment. And if you guys can't attend the live session, you can go ahead and just watch the archives section and then answer the question. Okay, and then this week we have a video on transitioning into higher education. So again, we're all coming from different backgrounds in terms of, some of us are still in high school. Some of us, it's our first year of college. Some of us have taken a long break and years, and now we're coming back and getting back into our education. We all come from different in terms of jobs and where we live and our families and all that kind of stuff. So I'm asking you guys to watch that video. And then for this week's discussion, remember you guys can do a video or adding text. Be mindful of the word counts, 150 words for the first initial post, and then the replies are 75 each. And again, that's a requirement for any online course to have the discussions. So I'm asking you guys to just kind of talk about some different, kind of what your experience is, where you're coming from, something maybe that you've learned this week about the college environment, something that might be challenging for you that's, something that's come up that you're finding might be a challenge, just something that you've learned from week 1 or week 2. Alrighty. And then, you guys, we're going to have our first journal entry this week. You will need your textbook. You are only answering questions number 2 and 3. All right. So here we go. Right here. There. Okay. So, make sure that you guys, if you choose to submit it in a text box, so if you just want to click on it and start typing, I can't tell you how many times I've had students do that, and I've done it myself, where you start typing and then you go away for a second and it wipes everything out. So I highly recommend that you guys are typing things out in a Word doc, a Google Doc, Office 365, whatever. Save it and then upload the assignment. All right. And then another quiz on the college catalog and My Columbia. So I've given you guys a link to click on a free, it's a PDF of the Columbia College catalog. So that should help you. And that's it. Okay. So, if you guys have any questions, let me know. But otherwise, I'm looking forward to another good week. Remember, if something comes up, communicate with me. Okay. Starting in week 3, I am going to introduce some of the bigger assignments at the end of the semester. I'm here to support you. Don't be overwhelmed once you see them. I know sometimes when we look at our syllabus, we get what's called syllabus shock. You look at everything and you think, oh my gosh, how am I going to do this? Don't worry. We'll get through it. It'll be fine. Okay. So I guess I will talk with you guys soon, and I'll talk to you later.